Hello friends, welcome back to InfyGyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting question from algebra. Here we have to evaluate expression x2 times x1 plus x3. Given that x1 is the smallest and x3 is the largest real root of this cubic equation. So let's get started by writing required expression is E first. Then we are going to consider our substitution straight away. I will consider y equal to x times square root 2014, or I can write x equal to y over square root 2014. Let's put this x value to our equation. We will get square root 2014 times x cube. So I can write y over square root 2014 whole cube minus 4029. In place of x square, we are going to write y over square root 2014 whole square. Then we have plus 2 equal to 0. Now we'll simplify LHS. So I can write square root 2014 times y cube in the numerator, and in the denominator we are going to write 2014 square root 2014 minus 4029 y square over 2014 plus 2 equal to 0. Now we can cancel square root 2014 from our numerator denominator. Now equation is radical free. Y cube over 2014 minus 4029 y square over 2014 plus 2 equal to 0. We will write here y cube over 2014 minus 4029 y square over 2014 plus 2 equal to 0. Now we have 2014 in the denominator. So to remove 2014 from the denominator, we are going to multiply by 2014 both sides. So we will get our cubic equation y cube minus 4029 y square plus 2 times 2014 4028 equal to 0. So this is our easier cubic equation. Now if I will plug in y equal to 1, as I can see the coefficients of equation. So 1 minus 4029 plus 4028. So it is satisfying our equation. We will say y equal to 1 is our base solution. Now we can use synthetic division method. So I need to write all the coefficients of cubic equation. We will write 1 coefficient of y cube. Coefficient of y square is minus 4029. Coefficient of y 0. Constant 4028. We'll put one line over there. Leading coefficient 1 would be as it is. Now we have to multiply base solution with this leading coefficient 1. And we will write product here. 1 times 1 is 1. Add these two numbers. We will get minus 4028. Again we will multiply base solution 1 with minus 4028. We will write here minus 4028. If we will add these two numbers, we will get minus 4028. 1 times minus 4028 is minus 4028, and addition of these two will produce 0. So here we have coefficients for quadratic equation in y. Equation would be y square minus 4028y minus 4028 equal to 0. Let's solve this quadratic first. Remember, Our first solution or real first solution is y equal to 1. Let me write quadratic first. Here it is. Now I will solve this quadratic equation using completing the square method. So I will take this minus 4028 to the RHS. I can write equation y square minus 4028 times y equal to 4028. Now I will try to make perfect square in LHS. So I will consider half of this number. So half of 4028 is 2014. Add square of that number here. So we'll write plus 2014 whole square in LHS. So we will add 2014 whole square in the RHS. Now left hand side will give y minus 2014 whole square. And RHS is 4028 plus 2014 square, which we can write 2 times 2014. This is 4028 plus 2014 whole square. Now we can simplify RHS. We can take 2014 common. So in the bracket we can write 2 plus 2014, or I can write 2014 times 2016. Now we will consider square root both sides. So I can write y minus 2014 equal to plus minus square root of 2016 times 2014. Now we will add 2014 both sides and we will get y equal to 2014 plus minus square root of 2016 times 2014. Now for simplification, I will multiply in the numerator and denominator by 2014 here. Here also I will write 2014. Now in this radicand we will be having 2014 whole square. So it will come out from square root as 2014. We can write 2014 plus minus 2014 square root of 2016 over 2014. Now I can take 2014 common out. So I can write 2014 common. In the bracket 1 plus minus square root of 2016 over 2014. Now I will write two values from here, and our base solution was y equal to 1. So let me write all the three solutions. Y equal to 1, y equal to 2014 in the bracket 1 plus square root 2016 over 2014, and our third real root would be 2014 in the bracket 1 minus square root of 2016 over 2014. Now if we will check our values, then 2016 over 2014 slightly greater than 1. Square root of a number which is greater than 1 would be greater than 1. So here we are going to get negative quantity. What about this? This is 1 plus a number which is 1 point something. So that would be approximately double of 2014. So I will write 4028 approximately. And here we have 1. So which one we will consider y1, which one we will consider y2, and which one we will consider y3. So our middle solution would be y3. This is the greatest one. 1 would be y2, and here we will write y1. Now we are going to evaluate. our required expression E. Let me write our required expression E first. X2 times x1 plus x3. Now x was y over square root 2014. So I will write, in place of x2, we'll be writing y2 over square root 2014. In place of x1, we will write y1 over square root 2014. In place of x3, we will write y3 over square root 2014. Now we have common denominator here, square root 2014, which we will take common out. So we can write y2 over square root 2014 in numerator y1 plus y3, in denominator square root 2014 will be equal to y2 times y1 plus y3 over square root 2014 times square root 2014. So we can write 2014 only. Now we have to put values of y1, y2 and y3. Let me write E equal to y2 times, in the bracket, y1 plus y3 over 2014. Now I will write y1 equal to 2014, in the bracket, 1 minus the smallest root, square root of 2016 over 2014. Now we will write y2 equal to 1 and y3 will be with plus sign. So we will write 2014. In the bracket we need to write 1 plus square root of 2016 over 2014. Let's plug in all the values. We will write here E equal to y2 is 1. So I will write 1 over 2014. Now y1 plus y3. So y1 plus y3, if we will take 2014 common out, so we will get 1 minus square root 2016 over 2014 plus 1 plus square root 2016 over 2014. Now we are going to cancel plus and minus square root 2016 over 2014. Now we will write expression E equal to 1 over 2014 times 2014, in the bracket, 1 plus 1. Now we can cancel 2014 from the numerator denominator. Our answer will be there 2. So our final answer is expression value x2 times x1 plus x3 equal to 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck, take care and goodbye.